In the infinite expanse of the cosmos, there exists a tiny azure speck teeming with life and beauty. This is Earth, our home, a celestial marvel viewed from the vastness of space. Embarking on a journey from the outer reaches of the cosmos, one would first encounter the Oort cloud, a massive spherical shell of icy bodies encircling our solar system. It's like an outer wall, marking the boundary of the sun's influence. Beyond this icy fortress, the Milky Way galaxy unfolds in all its stellar glory. Picture a disc-shaped structure with a bulging center and spiraling arms adorned with billions of glittering stars. Our solar system is tucked away in one of these spiraling arms, the Orion Arm. As we move closer, the planets of our solar system come into view. The gas giants Jupiter and Saturn, with their magnificent rings and multitude of moons, then the red planet Mars, and finally Earth, the third rock from the Sun. From space, Earth appears as a radiant blue sphere, a result of sunlight scattering off the atmosphere. The blue, in fact, is a reflection of the vast oceans that cover 70% of the Earth's surface. Swirling white patterns interrupt the blue. These are clouds, an ever-changing weather system that brings life-sustaining rain. As the Earth rotates, the night side comes into view. It's a spectacle of lights, illustrating human civilization. The brightly lit areas mark the bustling cities and dense population centers. The dark patches, the wilderness, the oceans, and the less inhabited regions. From a cosmic viewpoint, Earth's thin blue line of atmosphere is striking. This fragile shield, less than 60 miles thick, protects us from the harshness of space, regulates our climate, and provides the air we breathe. Earth, as seen from space, is a testament to the delicate balance of life. The blue signifies water, the essential ingredient of life. The green points to the land, our home and the home of millions of species. The white represents the clouds, a part of the water cycle and climate regulation. And the bright lights, they symbolize us humans, the conscious beings shaping this planet. So, from the distant Oort cloud, through the Milky Way galaxy, past the gas giants and our neighboring Mars, to our home planet Earth, the journey is awe-inspiring. It offers a humbling perspective, reminding us of our tiny place in the grand scheme of the universe. Earth, the blue gem of the cosmos, is a sight to behold from space. It's a vivid display of life, diversity, and human progress. Yet it also underscores the fragility of our planet and the responsibility we carry as its stewards. In the end, the view of Earth from space is not just about what we see, it's about what it makes us realize. Our interconnectedness, our shared destiny, and our collective responsibility toward this beautiful blue planet.
Have you ever considered the potential dangers of a simple pastime like kite flying? It's a question that's seldom asked, yet the answer can be chillingly profound. So, let's delve into a story that unfolded on a seemingly ordinary day, one that will leave you pondering the safety and consequences of this popular activity. As the sun began to set on a bustling city, a man, our protagonist, was making his way home from the office. He was a hard-working individual, the sole breadwinner for his family, a loving husband, a doting father, a devoted son, and a supportive brother. Little did he know, his ordinary day was about to take an extraordinary, tragic turn. In the same city, a group of children were reveling in the joy of kite flying, their faces glowing with excitement and their laughter echoing in the air. Unbeknownst to them, their harmless fun was about to morph into a grave incident. As our protagonist was walking home, engrossed in thoughts of his family and the meal they would share that evening, a stray kite string, sharp and lethal, swept across his path. In a split second, the string cut into his neck, transforming his peaceful walk into a scene of horror and despair. Rushed to the hospital, our protagonist fought for his life, but alas, his battle was short-lived. The news of his demise sent shockwaves through his family. A family that had been anticipating his return for dinner was now confronted with the unbearable reality of his death. The aftermath was heart-wrenching. A wife was left widowed, children orphaned, parents lost their son, siblings lost their brother. The family's sole earner was gone, leaving them grappling with grief and financial insecurity, all because of an unsuspecting danger that lurked in the skies, a kite string. So what's the takeaway from this tragic tale? It highlights the unforeseen hazards that can stem from even the most innocent of activities. It's a stark reminder to always prioritize safety, even in the simplest of our daily pursuits. As for kite flying, it's a beautiful tradition, but it should never cost a life. Let this story serve as a cautionary tale, urging us all to reassess the safety of our actions, not just for ourselves but for others too. The implications are far-reaching, affecting not just one life, but many others connected to it. Remember, every action has consequences, and sometimes they can be devastating. So next time you pick up a kite, think twice. For in the joy of flying, let's not forget the safety of walking on the ground.
Imagine a day like any other, a day where the ordinary was supposed to be the theme. Picture a man, riding his bike, enjoying the simple pleasures of life. The sun is shining, the birds are chirping, and the wind whispers tales of joy. But oh, how quickly can a normal day transform into an unexpected event. The man, in the peak of his joy, suddenly feels a sharp sting on his neck. A kite string, invisible in its cruel intent, has left its mark. Down he tumbles, the bike now a symbol of pain rather than pleasure. The world spins, the sky and earth swapping places in a disorienting dance. Not too far away, children are flying kites, blissfully unaware of the chaos their innocent play has triggered. Their laughter rings out, an eerie melody against the backdrop of unfolding drama. The spectators, people just like you and me, stand frozen, their eyes wide with shock. The fall of the man becomes a spectacle, a scene etched into the canvas of their minds. It's not the sight of the man on the ground that holds them captive, it's the realization of how swiftly joy can morph into despair, how a string of a kite can cut through the fabric of life. The man survives, his life forever marked by the scar on his neck, a constant reminder of the day when everything changed. The children continue to fly their kites, their innocence untouched by the accident's shadow. The people they remember, their minds replaying the scene even in their dreams. And so, we learn a lesson that life often teaches in the harshest of ways. Every action, no matter how small, reverberates in the world. We are all connected, threads in a vast tapestry of existence. Our actions have consequences, our joys and sorrows linked in ways we can't always see. Remember this tale, the tale of the man and the kite. Let it serve as a reminder that life is fragile, that every moment is precious. For in the blink of an eye, everything can change. So cherish your moments, stay vigilant, and always remember our actions can echo far beyond our reach.